Good morning. It's a sunrise photography session on Ullswater this morning, going to Gowbarrow Park. I'm here at parked at Aira Force. I'm the only one here. It's 4:30 in the morning. Not a cloud in sight. I'm going to push on to the top to get some good views. Stay with me for this adventure to Gawbarrow Park and a bit of sunrise. So I've reached some sort of summit with no path, and then found a path at the top of Gowbarrow Park, fell here on Ullswater. Very calm, very still, no one else is around, just a few birds. And what I've been doing here, I've basically been doing a six shot pano across, just kind of capturing this corner from Hallin Fell all across to Glenriddin. Hopefully you'll see at the end of this video what that's been like. I've had the drone up to get some drone shots. I can see Scafell Pike from here as well. So a very, very clear day. The forecast, it's going to rain later, so the clouds are going to come in, but then tonight it's going to be a good sunset, so I'm heading out tonight to Walla Crag. So I'm going to keep on snapping. Here's some footage. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm at Aira Force, Ullswater. I'm the only one here. It's 7:30 in the morning. Trying to get a composition of here. It's always difficult to get a composition here. We've got this metal fence that runs all the way along, and you can't really get down because it's fenced off, and rightly so. And then all the sky's blown out. So I've just done a bracketed shot and see if there's anything else further down the river that we can take. But yeah, really nice waterfall. good gantry, great viewing point, lovely paths, yeah, and a nice sunburst as well. Might stick that in. Well, another stop off point, the Boathouse at Ullswater. It's on a bit of a dicey bend, but you can get to it fairly easy. A couple of parking places just outside the boathouse. Note that it does say private land, so you're not to go anywhere where the fence off bit is. But if I walk around here, I ummed and ahed whether to come here or not, because I didn't know whether it was going to be too sunny. But actually, it's all right. It's nice reflections. So, end of the video again. Some pictures. It's quite still. Whoops. I know it's 9 o'clock in the morning and golden hour is well and truly over, but look at these conditions on Ullswater this morning. Bonkers. Had to stop and take some pictures. That's definitely in the calendar for next year. Woo! So f11, really kind of low, 50 ISO, and fast-ish shutter speed, because it's a mirror. Look at that. Won't go that way because it's blinding. But look at that. Coolio. So on the way back, I've taken the A592 towards Windermere. It's about another 16 miles from here. I've stopped off at Hartsop, which is kind of the south end of Ullswater. Just as you're heading up the A592, there's steep pass and Kirsten Pass. Couldn't think of the name then. And I've got this barn in kind of winter and spring, but not in summer. It's a really nice barn. Nice green roof with all the ferns on. I'm pretty sure there's an owl that lives in there. Lovely kind of walk that you can do across, going around here, all around and circular. But on the way back I just thought, stop here. So my pictures of this barn at the end, hoping to get this included in the 2026 calendar and for maybe some competitions. But now I'm going to do some drone shots, so you'll see some drone stuff as well. And because the wind is really light and there's no aircraft taking off, so I've got a bit of a window.